Uh-oh. What did I do? Well, I removed the canard off of the right side. Here's the left side, see? So the reason I did this is because it's going in for a clear bra on the front bumper, and I'm trying to make it easier for the installers. I don't want any issues on my parts, so I feel like if I do it, I have the best chance of it not being messed up. Or if it gets messed up, at least it's my fault. But check it out. Dirt buildup there. That's a big catch. So what came off right there, this is sitting on like that, and your dirt just catches right in there. So when you clean it, I guess be cognizant of that. So I wanted to show the connectors, or the little clips. These are in there like this when it's bolted up, right? So you need to push down on this right here. There goes the screwdriver, and then they just pop right up. Okay, so the canard is in like this, so here's showing where they all are. And these are a little bit more tricky to get to. So the front ones right here, I got these just by reaching around here and then using the screwdriver and popping the clip up. Popping the clip up. Did that for the 4 right here. And then the other side, or right here, these 2, I just jacked up the car and undid the fender well. But you know what? I will go ahead and just undo this side. And then when I get it all taken apart, I'll show you. How about that? That works. That works. All right, let's go to commercial break. All right, we are on the left side, so I'm on a jack pad underneath the car. I just have it lifted up just enough to get the wheel up, so I have a little bit more room in the fender well here. I put a flashlight in for added lighting. Now let's see if I can do this so you can see what needs to be done. So you see the flashlight is being covered up. That sucks. Move the flashlight. How about that? Alright, here we are. You can see the clip is right here. Okay, so then I'm pushing on that lock tab, and that's it. That is it. Now getting the angles to do that is difficult, but I'm going to pop them all off, and then we'll go from there. Alright, so here we are. So I got the 4 clips that go up here. I got those from the fender well. So the 2 right here, these are tough ones. So what I did was I used this little tool here, and then I curved it in the back side, and I just got the right angle. These are hard. Those are tough to get the right angle. They're down like this. So you want to push on this. And that's the tough part. So again, they're down like this. There's one here, one here. You can barely feel them. So when you get the tool on there, you're just on this back side, just pushing down right there. And that's it. So these come straight up right there. These come straight out. And then it slides towards you. Like that. Okay, so you can see how these were mounted. So they're in like this. Alright, hopefully that's helpful, because if you autocross at all, you're going to be breaking these. But that's it. So I'm going to take this off. This just has one more little retainer in there. And then I'm going to clean this up and get it ready to go out for clear bra. But hopefully this helped you with whatever it is that you're doing. If you needed to see where these are, because you're adding canards to yours, then here you go. Here's a good visual on where they are roughly. Good luck.